Jemalong Weir. You can hear the water going over it. Not much. They've left some willows here. I now find that they're the best things at holding the bank together. I don't know whether the Water Commission has been told that yet. But there was a study done by a young fellow in Victoria to prove that they make a habitat. Their little cavernous root systems in the bank actually harbour platypus and lots of other microflora and fauna, and they stabilise the bank. Perhaps those fellows have unstabilised it, but there may be a fence there, I don't know. Jemalong Weir, about 20k out of Forbes. A pretty place. The rest of the river is a disgrace.